Hello guys, welcome to my tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to download and install and simulate one small program in a EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic that is used for a Schneider Electric PLCs. So search for the EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basics and click on the first link which you are getting here and go to below bottom of the page. Here you will find this zip file. Okay, here I have already downloaded here. So after downloading, extract the zip file. Okay, here I extracted. Here I got the installation files. This is the release note, and double click on this software application and click on the install button. Here I already installed. There is nothing extra permissions or major permission it is asking. Generally, it is a basic application, so install it. After the installation, here you just search for the EcoStruxure Machine Expert, Machine Expert Basic. Okay. Here we'll get the interface like this. In the properties, we can select the protection type, application protection. If you want to provide the protection using the password, confirm password, we can give the protection to this. And if you don't want it, just click on inactive. Okay. Next, go to new application. Here you want to apply the changes. Yes. You want to save the modification. Yes. And once the new project is created, then just type a name and save it. Like I will test pro. Okay. Here we got the basic model like the TM211 2211 M16R. That is total 16 IOs we got. We can use this also. And in the programming part, if you want to change to select any other model, that also you can take and add up here. Okay. We can replace it. Here I taken this one. Okay. Now we can go to the programming and we can add a rung here. Okay. Here I will create one dual program, small basic program. Just click on those elements, NONC contacts. Here we got the NONC contacts and comparator blocks and these XOR blocks. Okay. And here the functional blocks, we got a timer, counters, everything. Okay. Pulse, raising edge trigger pulse. This is a negate coil and this is a coil and this is set and reset bits. Okay, data registers, everything we got here. Just I will create one basic application. Here I will add one coil. Okay. Now if I want to join these lines, so take this pencil or draw the line like this. Okay. Here we have created press escape to cancel the command. Again, one more NC contact I will add here. That is the timer NC contact. Here in the address mode, we can type okay untrusted DLL. It is giving an warning. Okay, we can avoid it. Okay, here I can use I 0 by 0 dot 0 and symbol comment I can give like a motor. Sorry, start button, start PB. Similarly, next I 0 dot 1 and comment I can put top PB. This I will add later. Now we can add one O, like it is taking Q0.0, and one address here also Q0.0. This will I'll comment it as a motor. In this application, when a motor is started after 10 seconds, the motor should be stopped. So one more NO contact I will take here, and one timer block I will take. Here is the timer. Insert it. Here it is. Its address is it is taken TM0. Here in the configuration, we can use it as a T on, T off, and timer pulse. Preset I am taking 200. Okay, time as well I am taking 100 millisecond. Okay, I'm going to apply it. Same address if I want to take here, in address TM0Q. Okay, after this, just we have to compile this, compile the program. We'll get the error if any errors are there. Here, what error it is showing, we can see. Okay, we can give one output coil here. I'll address M0. Okay, here I not given. If we take this out also, it is working. Let's check. Here address is not given. That is why it was giving an error. Q0.0. Okay, next compile it. Save it. Okay, now you can see the right mark on both the runs here. Okay, now go to commissioning. First of all, we have to launch the simulator. And start the controller. If we go to this, if you can check here, if I trigger I, first input, output is high, release, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after 10 seconds, output is off. So this is how we can simulate the simple programs. Here I have taken 100 millisecond. 100 millisecond in the sense 100 by 1000. So that gives us a 0.1. What value we will multiply with the value, like a timer base value I have taken 100. So that is for 10 second. 0.1 into 100 gives us a 10. So that is the 10-second value it is giving. So in between, if I want to stop, I can use the stop button. It is stopping. Okay, this is how we can simulate. And this is the stop button. It will stop the simulation. And commissioning again, we can stop the simulator. Okay, here if you click on the start controller, this also, this button also works as a run button. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So keep watching for the next videos. There I'm going to share some more details of about the programming and different timers and counter blocks. So kindly subscribe to my channel and share this to your friends who needs the information. Thank you.